Yes. Hi, everybody. My name is Bruno. And by the way, Molly, Sabrina is waiting the access to the meeting. If you can allow her to enter, she should be in a few seconds. So my name is Bruno Gambarana. I am the export manager of Near Chimica, which is an Italian chemical company based nearby Milan. Our company established in 1979, and since that time we produce textile auxiliaries for all kind of textile processing, yarn, fabric, and ready-made garment. And today's presentation, beside this short introduction about the company, we would like to focus on functional finishing, in particular stain release, bio-based stain release, anti-odor but not biocide based, bio-based finishing, softening, improvement of crocking fastness for all kind of fabrics, and eventually an application for garment is reactive dyeing at room temperature without salt, which for the moment is a concept we have developed and we are using for garment dyeing, not for fabric dyeing, for whoever of you is interested in this kind of garment procedure. We are facing some issues to share the presentation that we have, but Sabrina, can you connect now?
Hi Bruno, I'm connected.
Should we
Hello.
share the slides that you have shared with us today about the company? Is that the one that you want to do, Bruno?
Yes. Yes.
I can use the PDF
Yes.
formats to
Okay.
use it for now, and then see if we can do some back end work to fix
Uh-huh. Yeah.
while Molly is around. Okay, so wait a minute for me. I'm going to.
Oh, here is Sabrina finally.
Okay.
Is it working now? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
All right,
Hello.
great. We resolve
Great.
it. Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Molly. So Sabrina, hi. You can introduce
Hi.
yourself and then we can share the slides now.
Yes. Hello everybody. I'm Sabrina. I'm working in Air Chimica as finishing development, research and development, and first of all, I truly passionate in textile. So is the reason because I love chemistry, textile. Okay.
So
You share
maybe we
the
can start with
presentation.
a few slides about the company, Near Chimica. Near Chimica is a family-owned company. The company now is run by the second generation of the founder, and the third generation is already in the factory. We
So
have
the
a
slide is not yet shared. Is someone
Ah.
sharing it?
Sabrina, la condividi tu la?
So, Sabrina, you want to share it or you want me to share for you?
Yes.
You can press share on your right hand corner on the top.
Yes, for the presentation of the company, Bruno prefer to talk and then we share the products mainly. Correct,
Okay.
Bruno?
All right.
Yes, yes. If you can show the slide just of Near Chimica presentation.
Okay.
So Near Chimica is located in a town named Legnano, which is approximately 30 kilometers from Milan. And there we have, this is the company, we have a factory, a laboratory, and R&D center, both for garment processing and fabric processing. Company started the business in 1979, and at the moment we have turnover which is more or less approximately 60-65% export business, majority in Asia, and remaining is Italy. Italy textile in Europe is still one of the biggest area, but of course more and more we are orientated to export in Asia and in Central and South America. In South America we have also a second unit based in Colombia to serve the region. while for the moment in Asia we work mainly with agent and distributor, which have a local stock for client support. And main market we supply in Asia at the moment are especially the sub-Indian continent, so India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. But we also have a client and agent in Indonesia, in Vietnam. In Vietnam we also serve Cambodia and Southeast Asia in general, Thailand, and spot business in China, because selling chemical in China is a bit like selling refrigerator at the North Pole. It's a bit difficult. So the company, we are a bluesign system partner company. So majority of chemicals we have are bluesign certified. And generally we follow bluesign and ZDHC and GOTS as a product certification. These are the three main certification Niar Chimica has, Niar Chimica product have, and that we follow. In Italy, beside the production unit, we have a very nice R&D center where we prepare collection for client, and time to time we also invite client to make a collection with us, which can be collection of fabric or a collection of garment. For fabric we have all kind of equipment, including a continuous coating range, and for garment also we have all kind of equipment normally available in a garment washing and garment dyeing company, like washing machine, laser, ozone, every kind of equipment. And of course, as you see from some slide, we have production, so for reactor, blender, and also dry blending for powder compound. Product range, as you can see now, is pre-treatment, dyeing, product for digital printing, except the color themselves. So basically product for the preparation before digital printing. And then we have a big range of product for coating, fabric finishing, functional finishing, which is the major topic of today's meeting. We are also regularly visiting brands. Tesco is an example. We are in contact with European and American brands that we also invite to Italy time to time to make a trial with us, or we visit them both in Europe and America. In the area of finishing, we mainly promote functional finishing, which can be stain repellent, water repellent, of course, fluoro-free, and every kind of handle modifier, of course. We have our range of agent distributor is also able to give technical service locally, and we have also dedicated people who travel around the world and give technical service to the factory, to the client that we have. Company established in 1979, so we are now almost 45 years old, I can say, and this is more or less the area where we have agent, distributor, and in Colombia you can see the sister company, which is located in Medellin. There we have a unit with a blender to supply Colombia and nearby countries. This is more or less general information about Niar Chimica. I personally travel a lot in Asia, majority in Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Vietnam. These are the main areas that I follow. And in fact, next week I'm heading to Bangladesh, where we also attend a fair named Denim Expo. So this is more or less general information about Niar Chimica, whereas today we have prepared some presentation about our latest innovation in the area of functional finishing, which is more and more interesting for brands, I notice, around the world. So we are going to present you bio-based stain release finishing. We are going to present you improvement of crocking fastness, wet and dry, on every kind of fabric, including denim fabric. Bio-based softener, product name is Nearsoft 538. And last also we will introduce you the concept name Nice Dyeing, which is a reactive dyeing at room temperature without salt. We have developed for garment dyeing at the moment. We are still working on the possibility to apply also in fabric dyeing, but for this is a bit premature. And I also forgot, we are going to talk about natural dyes. We have a range of mineral-based natural dyes, soil-based, which we name Near Art, and we are already quite successful, especially for the moment in the area of garment dyeing, but product can be also applied on fabric by printing or coating. So then now we can start maybe with, I would prefer to start if possible with the functional finishing of stain release, bio-based stain release. Sabrina actually developed all this kind of finishing. She's product manager R&D aspect of this kind of treatment.
Okay. Molly, I share by you share. Can you share the presentation?
You can share, that would be great.
Okay.
Are you able to?
I tried to. Do you see my screen or?
No, per il momento vediamo te.
Me?
Sì.
Okay, let me share. Which one would you like me to share? Oh, nice. Well done. So if you make the presentation full screen.
Stai vedendo?
Sì, però non è tutto schermo pieno, c'è solo un pezzettino di schermo. Ecco, adesso
Adesso lo vedi tutto?
Yes, yes.
Okay. We start with this product, Nygaard BBSR. This product was born to prevent the dirtiness of our garment during the wearing. Often happens that before a meeting, before a dinner, we drink a coffee and spill it on our garment. So we think to solve this problem. Also, our children during their lunch can dirtiness themselves. This product has dual action protection. This product is called BBSR. We would like to focus on the name of the product because the name of the product talks. Nygaard SR means stain repellent and soil release. We combine two performances to have a repellency against the water-based stains and the soil release, allowing the detergent during the garment washing to eliminate, to release all stains penetrated. This treatment is long-lasting. It has high durability in wet washing and dry cleaning. Coming back to the name of the product is called BB, Nygaard BB. BB means bio-based formula. We select a specific raw material, a renewable raw material, to formulate this product, stain and soil repellent. So the origin of this formula is done with 30% of bio-based product. The product is also fluorine-free, PFAS-free, PFOA and PFOS-free, and formaldehyde-free. How it works? When we apply the product in padding, we form a layer on the fabric able to protect against the stain, but in the meantime it allows the surfactant during the washing to release the stains. Is suitable for cotton, for blends with synthetic. This treatment helping in decreasing the number of washing on our garment because it is already protected. So we can do less washings. Doing less washes means extending the textile durability and the life of the garment. How we can prove this performance? We have an internal method to check different kind of stains. Tomato ketchup, black tea, red wine, and so on. Here you can see on the left the deposition of the stains on untreated cotton fabrics. Is a knit, is a piqué structure. As you can see, the fabric absorbs the stains. On the right part, you see how the stains, how works the stain repellent. The soils remains on the surface and you can easily remove. Here you can see before and after washing. We apply also the Normativa AATCC 130. This norma is related to soil release against corn oil. The product is fluorine free. So it means that it works very well against water-based stains, in repellency and in soil release, and against oil, corn oil, it works in soil release. On the right part of the picture you can see a value 3.5 on the bottom of the picture. We can apply this product in fabric by padding, in garment form also by exhaustion with conventional washing, and by nebulization in sealed system. We can use this product on apparel, on t-shirt, on trousers, on school uniform, on sportswear. We can suggest this product also to protect home textile and hospitality, like chairs cover, curtains, carpet, cushions.
Sabrina, il volume? L'audio?
Mi senti?
Now, yes.
Okay. And the product is compliant with Blue Science, Zero Discharge, OPEC Standard 100 and Global Recycle Standard, and is on the way. We are waiting in a short time all certificates for the registration of the product. So thanks to this product, we can say goodbye to the washings, maintaining longer our garments in our wardrobe. Now, yes, the question, Molly, I answer now or later?
Yeah, I think it is better you answer at the end.
At the end? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I move to another functional product. Do you see the presentations?
Yes, we can see
Okay.
it. Sabrina, can go ahead. Thank you.
Yes. This product is called Nearfinish eFresh. Product was born from the need to manage bad odors, particularly from the sweat. The idea of developing this product was born from my personal desire to help my daughter. A few years ago was learning to manage her emotions at the school, during the interview from a teacher, with a new relationship with adults, with friendships, and she produce, unfortunately, due to the emotion, the bad smell, the sweat. So we realized that each of us can facing this problem under pressure. So talking with colleagues, Bruno and other people, we decide to focus on it. This product is able to manage the odor, allowing us to wearing our garment all the day without worrying about bad odors. The product, the technology, is able to neutralize the unpleasant smells through a catalytic process. So odors such as sweat, smoke, pets and animal food can be neutralized. And in addition, this product has a good durability during the garment washing, and again helping in lowering the frequency of the washing cycle, extending the life of the textile. The formula of this product is built on matrix, able to cover a big surface of the fabric. On this matrix we put our active matter, able to capture the molecule of bad odors. The product is a biocide free. It means that it doesn't kill any bacteria present, positive bacteria or negative bacteria. So the product is not subject to the European biocidal regulation. And formula doesn't contain fragrance. Any fragrance is present because we don't want to mask the odors, but the product eliminates the odors at the origin, at the source. How? As I told you before, the active matter is able to catch the molecules of odors. It decomposes this molecule by a catalytic action and then release the inactivated molecule. What does it mean? It means that during the wearing, this product continues to work. So you can be confident even after under pressure if you produce sweat. These are some of our tests where you can see the untreated fabric before and after 15 washes, domestic washes. The product reduces 85% of the odor comes from the sweat. The test is a gas chromatographic test done with different gas in function of the odors we would like to test. The product acts on cellulosic, on cotton, and on synthetic, and blends with cotton and synthetic too. It's possible to apply by padding in fabric and also in garments by conventional exhaustion application and nebulization. Is useful for apparel, for socks, for shirt, t-shirt, school uniform, sportswear and workwear. Again in home textile and hospitality, and more in pet blanket, shoes, insoles, helmets. Near finish, if fresh, is compliant with Blue Sign, Zero Discharge, Ocotex and Global Recycle Standard. So, just to close this presentation, whether you are hitting the gym or attending social events, meeting, or simply relaxing at home, Near Finish Fresh will keep you feeling fresh and odor free. Now we move to another issue, the rubbing fastness. I love this picture. Rub with love. This product born because each of us is passionate about colors. We love the depth of color, the intensity of the shades, the color combination and the color contrast. And all these features can make a striking impact. But sometimes we are conscious that if we put darker colors with lighter colors nearly, we can have some rubbing fastness issues. We developed NearFix FRK, our rubbing fastness solution for denim and for piece dyed or garment dyed with reactive dye stuff. NearFix FRK is based on reactive polymer, which protect fibers and dye stuff, avoiding the releasing of the color during wearing, during friction. The product is based on formula completely free from formaldehyde. In this slide you can see the results of crocking fastness on denim on the left part. In upper part we have untreated, dry rubbing and wet, and on the bottom we have treated with NearFix FRK. And you can see also the crocking fastness done on the t-shirt dyed with reactive dyes. We can apply in fabric, in exhaustion, or in garment in exhaustion too, according to your equipment. Product is Blue Sign approved and ZDHC level 3 approved and registered.
We have clients that apply it also on socks, for example. In Pakistan we are supplying quite a big socks manufacturer, and for reactive black, dark reactive black sock in some qualities where the requirement of crocking is particularly high, they use this product, of course by exhausting, in this case in the socks dyeing machine usually.
Thanks, Bruno. Okay, in finishing we go to the renewable products. Softener is usually the last stage in finishing, and it covers a relevant role in giving drapery, softness, comfort to the garment and to the fabric. So we focus on two parameters. We study a formula based on renewable resource, putting attention to the origin of raw material, and we studied also the biodegradability, putting attention to the end of the life of the product. NearSoft 538 is based on rapeseed plants. Is vegetal derivative and palm oil free. It has a biocarbon content higher than 80%, a very big concentration. And if you think to apply this product on cotton or other cellulosic vegetal fiber, we can ensuring the continuity of natural and bio-based products. And more, we have an augmented biodegradability over than 95%. The product is also surfactant free. For resuming the features, the product gives biotender properties, increase the softness degree,